Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing MelodySusie Limited Edition Nail Drill and MelodySusie Nail Dust Collector. But first, we will be unboxing the MelodySusie Limited Edition SM200F Nail Drill. So as you see, MelodySusie packaging, it's very solid and the item is very secure on the inside. So here we have the warranty card for warranty information, so make sure to keep it and not lose it. Next is we have the thank you card. We have the MelodySusie nail drill instruction manual. This will guide you on how to use the nail drill and the nail drill bits. So make sure you save it also, because in case whatever happens to your nail drill, this will be your guide to help you on what to do. And here we have the handpiece. It is a very unique design and it is very lightweight. It was not heavy at all. Next is we have the nail drill. This nail drill is actually smaller than the size of my phone. And it is also very lightweight. It has a very special design. And it has the pause and play button. It has the newly upgraded on and off button. This button is more friendly and convenient to use. Next is we also have a MelodySusie to-go bag. I call it to-go bag because what I'm thinking is you can put the nail drill here and then you can take it wherever you go. Next is a wipe cleaner, so you can use it to clean your nail tool. Next, we have the heart nail art stickers. I really love these nail art stickers because they are very convenient to use. If you want nail art on your nails and you are in a rush, it is easier to just stick it on your nails. Next is, I call it the skinny sanding bands. It is very useful, especially when you do gel polishes. And next is the regular sanding bands. Next is the nail drill cord. This end goes to the handpiece. And the other end goes to the nail drill. This nail drill have a very special design for the anniversary. And this one is the handpiece holder. So you just put it on the side and then that's where you can put your handpiece. And the back here, this is designed to hang it up on your pocket. Next is we have the pink mandrel. This is the mandrel for the skinny sanding bands. This mandrel is very useful, especially when you're doing nail extensions, gel polishing, all sorts of stuff, especially for blending or cleaning under nails. This is also very useful. And this one is the charging cord. And this goes with the charging adapter. This is the end where you plug it in. And then the other end is to go to the nail drill when charging the nail drill. You can turn the power on. And then this is what it shows. On the LCD screen, it shows it's charging. This nail drill have 12 hours long-lasting battery, which means it works all day without worrying about running out of power. Oh, and this one here is a nail drill bit cleaning brush. I will show you how to use it later on. And this one is a ceramic nail drill bit and another nail drill bit. Next is a nail file. This will show you step by step on which side to use. So like this one, it shows step 1. I don't know if you can see it, but let me get it out of the plastic. So this one is the step 1. Then next is the step 2, step 3, and then this is the step 4. That's step 4, step 5, and that's the smoothest part. It is very useful for the natural nails. Next is the regular nail drill bits. This one here is the mandrel, which goes with this sanding bands. That's the regular mandrel. And next, I will be unboxing the MelodySusie Hpro nail dust collector. This is new also. Here we have the instruction manual, which will guide you on how to use the nail dust collector. So make sure to read it before using it. Is we have the warranty card for the warranty information, and make sure to also keep it. And here is the nail dust collector. It is round and very cute. I really love the design. The holes are bigger and very lightweight, and it is equipped with a touch control induction panel. You can adjust the suction between low, medium, high with just one touch. The large ventilation holes on the back provides persistent heat dissipation function to make sure that the nail dust fan collector will not get hot even doing the long-lasting work. And it has a reusable filter that you can easily take out the filter and conveniently clean it with a hair dryer or dust brush, which means we don't need to change it every time. Next, we have the power cord. So this is where you plug it in the power. And this one is to plug it in the nail dust collector to make it work. So you can turn on the power button. So this is the power button. When you turn it on, it will show you the green light indicator. Now I'm gonna test it with the tissue. So this is the low suction, and this is the medium suction, and next is the high suction. And now I will be using it to remove my nail extension. So we're going to replace the nail drill bit. So first, turn on the central barrel clockwise until hearing a click sound, and then release and remove the original bit and place the desired bit into the handpiece. Only change the drill bit when the power is off and the handpiece completely stops. And the next, turn the central barrel counterclockwise until hearing a click sound to lock the drill bit in place. Next is rotate the on and off button to turn on the device. And then rotate the speed control knob to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed of the drill bit. So as you see on the LCD screen, you can go up to 35,000 RPM. Next is press the forward and reverse button to change the rotation direction of the drill bit if needed. F stands for forward and R stands for reverse. Next, press the pause on button to pause the device when needed. Then press to run it again. Now I'm gonna start by trimming my nail extension using the ceramic nail drill bits. As you see, even with the tissue, the nail dust collector did a good job for sucking all the nail dust from my nail extension. Now let's check the tissue. And look at the nail dust it's collected. And that is why we need MelodySusie nail dust collector, because as we all know, inhaling excess harmful dust during manicures could cause allergies, itching, asthma, or other respiratory diseases. Using a powerful nail dust collector is essential because MelodySusie nail dust collector can absorb and collect nail dust and flying ash. It provides a free-breathing environment while filing or polishing the nails. And now I'm gonna try it without the tissue. So guys, this professional nail drill is equipped with high-quality cordless motor, which enables it to work smoothly at a high and adjustable speed from 0 to 35,000 RPM. This e-file comes with superior torque to avoid it from stopping occasionally during work. It is great for nail buffing, filing the shape of various nails, and smoothing calluses or hardened skin on your hands and feet. And it is rechargeable and cordless with a large battery capacity of 2000 mAh. You can use this nail drill at anywhere, anytime. And being fully charged for about 3 hours, this electric nail file will work up to 12 hours. And that is very convenient. And the portable design of a belt clip of the body case allows you to hang it on your belt, on the waist, and it is compact enough to pack into the traveling bag. And I really love the handpiece because it's a lightweight handpiece and it is made of superior aluminum alloy. The ample ventilation holes are designed for dissipating the heat effectively. The pencil shape and lightweight design are perfect for extended use. And it also works with all kinds of 32 inches shanks beads. This one is similar to the Jade Plus nail drill. They are both lightweight and it had the compact design, which helps it work for a long periods of time without feeling fatigued. It has a 12 hours long lasting battery. It works all day without worrying about running out of power. And it is rechargeable and cordless. It's powerful up to 35,000 RPM. So I'm gonna leave the link down below in my description box so you guys can check it out. Both the nail drill and the nail dust collector have low noise and it is easy to carry wherever you wanna go and wherever you wanna take it. Plus, it comes with 8 pieces nail drill bits, which is the cone, small barrel, safety bit, round bit, needle head, mandrel and sanding bands, ceramic bit, large barrel top bit. And I am very satisfied with both nail tools because it fulfilled my expectation and they both work the way it should work, and it actually, the design and everything, it was beyond my expectation because they're both very small but yet they're both powerful. So I'm gonna leave the link down below in my description box so you guys can check it out. And don't forget to use my code ROSEDIY13 or ROSEDIY13 to get 8% off when you shop at MelodySusie's official store. And now I'm gonna clean my nail dust collector filter. You can also use a hair blower to clean up your filter so that way you can use it again because it is reusable. So this is how I clean my nail dust collector filter. Just tap 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 and then you get all the dust out, or you can also use a nail dust brush, and when you're done you can reuse it again. Now I'm gonna show you how to use the nail drill bit cleaning brush. So as you see, my nail drill bit is dirty and now I'm gonna use the cleaning brush. And as you see now, it's clean. So that's just how easy it is using the nail drill bit cleaning brush. And this nail drill bit cleaning brush, you can stick it on your desk. And if you're going somewhere and you want to bring your nail drill, you just unplug everything and then put it in a bag, and then you're ready to go. So that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.